I read about an informative speech for this assignment. It gave me lots of tips. It talked about what an informative speech was, an informative speech that gives much information to an audience on a topic they do not know much of. The article gives information as to how to prepare an informative speech. The article mentions some members already know the information, but you have to word it in examples as if they already knew what you're referring to. Other members have very little knowledge on what the subjects of the speech will be. They'll have no idea or no interpretation of what you're referring to. A demonstration speech, where it's pretty much the speaker's job to teach the audience a task by performing in front of everybody. So something brand new they've never seen or done, they give a speech about it. They teach it step by step in front of somebody. Some elements that are necessary for a great demonstration speech are, to say why, pretty much give a brief overview of the process, and to kind of go through the steps one by one. Step one, step two, step three, this is how you started, this is the next step after, this is what you do, etc., etc., etc. You're kind of guiding them along through it to where it's easier, to where they can do it on their own. I have not selected a demonstration topic for this written assignments. I have a lot of experience doing demonstration speeches, just because from what I remember through like elementary school, through middle school, through high school, they always made us write a persuasive essay. And I remember sometimes we'd have to do presentations on, like in 5th grade, we did, nice to remember to this day, we did WTRPs, Weekly Team Research Project. Everyone was in their own teams. We had the green team, red team, and we're divided into colors. And sometimes every week, we'd have to write about a subject, study it, and then on Friday, we'd present it. And sometimes we'd talk about things, or we would write up or present about stuff that, like, I'm trying to figure it into words. Kind of research assignments, whether it's on a person, a place, a machine, like a boat, for example, or when trains were invented. We kind of had to write how the combustion engine sort of started. That's one of the ones I briefly remember, and obviously all the information was from our social studies book. So we'd go step by step as to like how it worked, or we go step by step kind of on a person, like from a president, for example, from early on in life to how they got involved into politics, to how they got elected to office, that type of thing. So I feel like throughout school, school always made us kind of do persuasive essays. So we'd always have to get up and demonstrate and persuade someone, like, for example, this is a reason why you should, this is another reason why you should, this is another reason why you should. Basically a persuasive essay, I would want to say. I think these steps kind of help me. Well, this assignment kind of helped me because ever since kind of COVID started, it kind of shut all of us down, like especially my age group. We become less social. So I feel like doing this over again kind of, gives you that like energy boost or that confidence boost. Like, you can do this, you used to do this all the time. It's easy, piece of cake, no problem. I feel like that's what helped me out a lot, and that's what I hope other people in my class would understand and be able to do it. And so that's it.